Hello everyone, today is Beauty Over 40 collab. We do a collab once a month, and this month we are picking a face makeup look from Instagram, and the name of the site we are using is called Rachel C Face Chats. Rachel C Face Chats, and she is on Instagram, and I pick this one right here. On that website has a lot of different faces, so this is the one I picked. So let us start with this Beauty Over 40 collab and see what I create, because I am going to attempt to get it as close as possible as I can. And Rachel C Face Chats, you can visit her because we're using her stuff. We have to mention her, so it is only right because we are taking something that she has created and recreated. Beauty Over 40 once a month collab. All the ladies who are taking part in today's collab, their information will be in my description box. Please go show them some support. I thank you very much in advance, and I appreciate it very much. Now we are just working with this eye, and in the end we will see if I got it done. I'm trying to go as close as possible as it is. Please watch the video all the way to the end. It helps my little YouTube channel. And I just love to have fun here. I love to play with makeup, colorful makeup. Today's question is, do you like cereal? Do you like cereal? I am looking at the picture. I want to mimic it as close as possible. So this is going to be exciting. I have very hooded eyes, so I have to do it in a way where my color shows above the hood. I'm trying to mark it the same. They are not the same size, so one is going to come out a little bigger than the other, but I want to bring them as close as possible. If you love cereal, which cereal do you love? Which one? You might like more than one, but the one you like the best, let me know in the comments which one. You see how different they are? This one is longer, this one is shorter because this side of my eyes is shorter, this side is longer. Either way, we are still going to have fun because that's what the whole thing is about. Have fun with your makeup. Get your palettes out and let's have a little makeup fun. I'm going back into the first color and get it to where it looks like this picture or close to the picture. Okay, we're coming along, we're coming along, we're coming along. So far, these are all mattes. I'm gonna put a little bit of a lighter blue over here. I'm just going according to the picture, the colors I see, that's what I'm using. I don't know if these are the right colors, but that's the fun of playing with makeup. That is the fun. I love it. I love having fun. Do you like cereal morning, noon, or night? Let me know in the comments. Which is the best time of the day you like cereal? This is coming to me. Ooh, this is good, this is good, this is good.
7 words
I am coming down with the navy blue. I don't think I'm supposed to be that far down, but we will fix it. We will fix it. What you do to one, I do to the other. I came down too far one side, so I'm gonna do the same thing here. I am back with the look for the group Beauty Over 40 collab. This is the look I went for. I hope you can see it. So I created this look for the group Beauty Over 40. This is it. This is what it looks like. Let me know in the comments if I nailed it. This is from Rachel C Face Chats. She has a lot of different faces, as you can see, and the one I pick is this one. I'm not a cereal lover, but when I do eat cereal, I eat the cinnamon wheats, I think that's what they call it, or the honey nut Cheerios. And I don't like having my cereal with milk. I usually put it in orange juice. That's how much I don't like cereal. So when I do eat it, I use my, instead of milk, I use orange juice. So that's my cereal thing. All the ladies' information in this collab group, Beauty Over 40, their information will be in my description box. Please go check them out. Today's inspirational encouraging word is, nobody makes a greater mistake than he who does nothing because he could do so little. That's by Edmund Burke. Nobody makes a greater mistake than he who does nothing because he could do so little. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply Your Makeup, will see you in the next video. Go out and live life. It's fabulous. I hope you took your makeup palette out and play with it. I will see you soon. Bye.